It's a 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia. The Giulia not only delivers enthusiasm behind the wheel, but it also boasts an interior with rich materials exuding stylistic elegance. High-level convenience is standard in 2019 models with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It comes with all the amenities you need: smart device navigation, front heated leather bucket seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, Bluetooth streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. The Giulia not only delivers enthusiasm behind the wheel, but it also boasts an interior with rich materials exuding stylistic elegance. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.